My classmates used to tell, oh my god, your father don't have a car, and I used to feel bad. इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी मुझ में कि मैं बोलूं कि yes, we stay in one room rented apartment. I used to not call my friends home because I was ashamed of the fact that we have less money than them. Karan Singh Grover, that he was shooting mock shoots with different girls since February or March, and I came in October end, and I was the only one जिसके साथ उसने mock shoot नहीं किया because he's like मैं अब और किसी के साथ mock shoot नहीं करूँगा. TV is little not that superior medium कि ये तो TV वाले हैं. We are the OTT people, or we are the ad makers, we are the ad people, or we are the film people. So you want to say that everybody who is associated to movies is by default good. कोई काम करे जा रहा है और करे जा रहा है तो हो सकता है भाई मजबूरी में कर रहा हो. Let's not call it success. Film actor हमारे set पे आए थे to promote their film, and they said, I'm sorry if I fumble because I just got these lines 2 days back. I was like, 2 days back? हमें 2 घंटे पहले मिली है. There was a news article in a very renowned newspaper that we are getting married. Me and Ritvik are getting married. He did help me. I paid him for that, and after that we started dating. I still am asking my money back. He's like, please give my money back. Some of them unfollowed me from Instagram because I didn't invite them. Hello, Surbhi. Hello, Gayatri. Welcome to Pink Villa. Thank you so much.
Surbhi, first of all, thank you so much for doing this interview. हमें पता है कि आप ज़्यादा इंटरव्यूज नहीं करते हो, बट आपने इसके लिए हाँ कहा, उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you for having me. Thank you. Yeah.
तो ये पंजाब की लड़की मुंबई कैसे पहुंची?
I think it was destiny because I belong to a very simple, humble, middle class family जिसमें माँ बाप को लगता है कि पढ़ो, टीचर बन जाओ और बड़ा नोबल जॉब है, वर्किंग आवर्स भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, बड़े फिक्स से वर्किंग आवर्स हैं, एंड आई वाज गुड एट इट. मैंने अब 2 मास्टर्स की हुई हैं जस्ट आउट ऑफ चॉइस ओनली बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू स्टडी. सो अलॉन्ग विद माई स्टडीज आई यूज्ड टू डू थिएटर एंड आई रियली यूज्ड टू एंजॉय इट. आई रिमेंबर मेरी मॉम ने बोला कि ये सब आप कर रहे हो करो, लेकिन पढ़ाई में नंबर नहीं कम होने चाहिए. और मुझे पता था माई मॉम इज़ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, back then she was even more. So उनको ऐसा लगता था कि बाकी सब साइड बाय साइड चलता रहे, पढ़ाई पे पढ़ो typical हाँ होता है. So I think मैंने इस प्रेशर में कि मम्मी कहीं थिएटर ना बंद करा दे, I topped the university that year. कि प्रेशर में ओवर पढ़ लिया मैंने कि I really don't want to quit my theater. So yeah, the side by side I was doing my theater and studies. And then Gul, जो producer है कबूल है कि she saw something on Facebook and then she got in touch with the coordinator over there. She recorded my audition. I love giving auditions still. मैंने वो audition दिया and I got selected. And when I told my parents कि ऐसे मुंबई से phone आया, my mother said no because it's not that easy कि आपको कोई यहाँ आप जालंधर में बैठे हो और आपको कोई बॉम्बे से फोन कर रहा है, देख रहा है ऑडिशन और आपको बुला रहा है. माय मदर सेड नो, ऐसा तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, बॉम्बे चली जाएगी, कौन शादी करेगा, इस लाइन में भेजना है कि नहीं भेजना, इट्स अ बिग डिसीजन टू मेक, ऐसे नहीं होता, ऐसे नहीं होता है. सो शाम को मेरे पापा आते हैं, मैं अपने पापा को बोलती हूँ और मेरे पापा, आई हैव नो आइडिया कहाँ से उनमें इतनी समझ और स्ट्रेंथ. Because for him also it was a very very big decision to send his daughter to Bombay. He said कोई बात नहीं, चली जा, समझ में आया तो ठीक है, नहीं समझ में आया तो वापस आ जाना. And I was like, पापा are you sure? Because मम्मी ने हाथ खड़े कर दिया. पापा कहते मैं देख लूंगा तेरी माँ को, तू जा. I don't know because otherwise they are a team, अगर पापा ने कुछ डिसाइड कर लिया, मम्मी टीम बन जाती है, मम्मी ने डिसाइड कर लिया, पापा टीम बन जाते हैं. But yeah, that's how I came and within a week I started shooting for Kabul Hai and it was like an overnight hit. Yeah.
Kabul Hai, nothing can top that show. मतलब इतने सालों बाद भी आज तक लोगों को एक एक शायरी याद है जोया की.
I know. I'm so thankful to the entire team of makers of Kabul Hai. I enjoyed so, and trust me Gayatri, जब मैंने करना, I'm not saying कि yes, I'm saying that I was pro. मतलब मुझे उन्होंने कैरेक्टर समझाया, ये कैरेक्टर है. And of course, Gul is also fantastic. The writers are Prajita and Divya. जिन्होंने dialogues लिखे, who used to write the poetry. They were so clear in their head, and they were looking for Zoya. Karan Singh Grover, that he was shooting mock shoots with different girls since February or March, and I came in October end.
Oh.
एंड आई वाज द ओनली वन जिसके साथ उसने मॉक शूट नहीं किया बिकॉज इज लाइक मैं अब और किसी के साथ मॉक शूट नहीं करूंगा.
Yeah, because February से October, it's like
Yeah, they were looking for the perfect girl for it, and I'm so glad that they shortlisted me and they went ahead with me because I really enjoyed playing Zoya.
रियल लाइफ में जोया से मिलते जुलते हैं आपके हाव भाव.
हाँ, yes, we both are strong-headed and मतलब वही कि हम दोनों को क्रिकेट का शौक है. एंड यस, काफ़ी थॉट्स मैच. एक्चुअली ना मैं अभी नाउ गुल इज वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. लाइक शी इज फैमिली टू मी. Even if I do some blunder, I cannot go to anybody but her. She's that close to me. Over a period of time मैंने ये realize किया कि मेरी और गुल की सोच बहुत मिलती है. So probably, and गुल ने वो character लिखा था, inspired by her own personal life and personal events. So yeah, I think because I could relate to that character so much, that's why probably I played that character well. Yeah.
तो जब आपके पेरेंट्स जब आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपसे ये चीज कही कि इस लाइन में मत जाना, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल कि
और
एक
safe.
टाइम पर
Safe.
कि एक
Yeah.
टाइम पर ही आपका ऑडिशन क्रैक हो गया, तो व्हेन दे से इस लाइन में मत जाना, इट्स नॉट सेफ, किस तरह के ख्याल उनके मन में थे? मतलब क्या छवि है इंडस्ट्री की उनके लिए?
वही आई थिंक वेरी टिपिकल द सोच. अगेन आई एम नॉट सेइंग आजकल कैसा है, उस टाइम सोशल मीडिया इतना ज़्यादा नहीं था, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स नहीं होते थे. सो सोच आई थिंक और एक्सपोजर उतना नहीं था. सो मम्मी को डर लगता था कि अकेली लड़की है मुंबई में, कोई होगा नहीं, वुड इट बी सेफ फॉर हर, फ्रॉड हो जाते हैं, कुछ गलत हो जाएगा लड़की के साथ, वो वापस आएगी, छोटे शहर में लोग खिल्ली उड़ाएंगे, मजाक उड़ाएंगे. अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पेरेंट्स के दिमाग में एक्सट्रीम थॉट्स आ जाते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स दे आर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट देयर गर्ल्स, देयर बॉयज, देयर चाइल्ड्स सेफ्टी. बट now since I have worked in this industry for so many years, Gayatri, मैं सब पेरेंट्स को ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, there is nothing unsafe in this industry. I have never luckily faced any incidents or anything जहाँ पे मुझे किसी ने गलत अप्रोच किया हो, जहाँ मुझे, and I'll tell you what, later I think my father also told my mother कि तुमने जो संस्कार देने थे अपनी बेटी को वो दे दिए. अब उन संस्कारों पे अब उस जो आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग है उस पे तुम यकीन रखो और भेज दो. Because see, my point is that if you really have to do something which is not right, you would do it anywhere in any line. I think ये लाइन थोड़ी ग्लैमराइज है, थोड़ी मीडिया के सामने है, इसलिए कुछ भी गलत ठीक होता है, जल्दी नजरों में आ जाता है. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि कुछ भी गलत सही हो रहा है वो इसी लाइन में हो रहा है या इसी इंडस्ट्री में हो रहा है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली if anything is not safe, then of course सड़कें भी सेफ नहीं है. That is a very unfortunate thing. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि this line is not safe for anybody. It's not like that.
It's not like that.
It's not.
तो ये जो हम बातें सुनते हैं हमेशा कास्टिंग काउच के और ये सब, ये I mean काफी लोगों से हमने बात की है जिन्होंने they had to go through
Yes.
this. So I think it's a good thing that nothing like that
Yeah.
happened with you.
I think I really got lucky there because I'm not denying the fact कि ऐसा होता ही नहीं होगा. मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ. But my point is that ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ ऐसा इसी लाइन में होता है.
हर जगह होता
हर जगह होता है. So you really have to set a border, set a line. आपको अपनी मर्यादा खुद बनानी है और फिर then I think you can win the world. I mean, you can win any battle.
That is true.
Yeah.
जब आप थिएटर करते थे, कपिल शर्मा used to come there as
Yeah, हमें सिखाने आया करते थे वो.
Please tell us, वो कहानी बताइए हमें.
Yes, so I think, okay, so Kapil and Bharti used to be a senior and Kapil आते थे. Kapil ना तब super senior थे, वो pass out हो चुके थे.
Okay.
लेकिन of course जो आपके senior होते हैं, you have to call them sir. So वो बहुत बड़े नहीं थे हमसे, but हम sir बोलते थे. वो हमें सिखाने आते थे, skit सिखाने आते थे, play सिखाने आते थे, because he himself also used to do a lot of theatre. And trust me, he is one of the most funniest guy I know. He is so funny. मैंने उनसे डांट खाई है because प्रैक्टिस में वो जोक क्रैक करते थे और फिर बोलते थे चलो स्टार्ट करो थिएटर, और मैं अभी उनके जोक्स पे हंस रही हूँ and he's like what is this, what, and then मतलब वो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा भी करते थे, but that's how funny he is. Like he's really super talented, and I think during that time only Ginny and Kapil met. Ginny used to do theatre with me. We used to do theatre एक साथ. Yeah, there they met, and yeah, that is life for you.
I actually did not know that Bharti, Kapil, Ginny and you are from the same college.
Yeah, same university.
Same
actually.
university.
Yeah, because Kapil and Bharti are from Amritsar. They were in a different college. Me, Ginny, Malli hoti thi hamari ek friend. She's in Canada now. Yeah, we used to be in the same college. We all are like theatre buddies.
तो अभी भी सबके साथ दोस्ती है, right?
Yes, because we all are. See, I'm not a person who is actually very active otherwise also in life, like, you know, just to take out time and go meet people. But हाँ, मतलब of course, are they in touch? Yes, they are.
But back then हमने कभी मतलब आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा ना कि आप सब एक ही इंडस्ट्री में एक दूसरे से मिलोगे आगे जाकर.
हाँ, मतलब वो जो बैच था ना, मतलब वो इतने सारे लोग हैं, you know, if you will see, there are so many people of that time जो आज मुंबई में हैं and they are doing so good for themselves. Yeah, so that's just amazing to see so many of your some batchmates or some seniors, some super seniors to, you know, they all are here and doing so well.
Okay, tell me, जब आप चलो गुल खान ने आपको बुला लिया मुंबई, बट आप यहाँ किसी को जानते नहीं थे, कुछ आपको आइडिया नहीं था यहाँ का, तो जब आप मुंबई आए, आपने जब कदम रखा, had you envisioned a life like this?
I think yes. I'm very big on manifestation. See, I'll tell you what. छोटे शहरों में ना, I'm not saying it's with everybody. थोड़ा सा people really cannot keep their noses to themselves. ये होता है. वो यहाँ पे भी होता होगा. You know, I'm not gonna generalize the thinking or सोच. But I'm saying कि छोटे शहरों में ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, और स्पेशली लड़कियों के साथ. क्या पहना है, रात को कब घर पे आई, रोज बाहर जाती है, किसी लड़के के साथ जा रही है, लड़के से बात कर रही थी, ये होता है, राइट? जहां से मैं आ रही हूँ वहां पे होता है. तो जब मैं मुंबई में आई ना, मैंने ये नोटिस किया यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था. यू नो, व्हेन आई रीच्ड हियर आई रियलाइज्ड दैट people are just minding their own businesses, or I really realized that this is where I belong. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं यहाँ पहले क्यों नहीं आई, क्योंकि अभी भी लोग कहते हैं कि of course छोटे शहरों में of course there are perks. जैसे मैं पंजाब का खाना बहुत मिस करती हूँ, और वहाँ पे रहना, यहाँ पे there are like flats, and शुरू में ऐसे सबके साथ रहना, आपको आदत होती है एक खुले वातावरण में रहने की या खुले घरों में रहने की. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है सोच खुली होनी चाहिए. You know, that's what makes you happy.
Yeah.
So I think Mumbai is my city. It's clearly, अगर वो सपनों का शहर बोलते हैं मुंबई को, ये है. अगर आप talented हैं, अगर आप मेहनती हैं, Mumbai is the city for you. Trust me. I love this city.
I agree. If you have the passion. अगर आप में passion है तो यहाँ पर आप कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लो.
बिल्कुल. See, my point is that मुझे show मिल गया, show hit हो गया. But still, I used to run my house. By running my house, I mean, आपको ही ध्यान रखना है आपके घर में groceries हैं या नहीं. You have to hire a bai. If bai is not doing her work properly, you have to fire the bai. आपको check करना है कि कुछ लेके तो नहीं जा. See, पहले ये सब काम मम्मी करती थी. अब आप suddenly काम कर. See, मेरा point ये है कि मुंबई आपको independent बनाता है. मुंबई आपको खुद अपने पैरों पे, आपको पता होता है आप महीने का इतना कमाते हैं, आपको इतना बचाना है, इतना आपका खर्चा है, इतना आप और खर्चा कर सकते हैं. This is what makes you independent. I'm not saying कि and I think this is very, very important for every individual. बिना किसी financial और physical support के, अगर आपके parents यहाँ पे हैं और अगर आप सब कुछ खुद कर रहे हैं, मतलब उनकी help से, I would still say it's easy for you. आप एक ऐसे शहर में जहाँ पे आपके पास आपके पेरेंट्स नहीं है, आपके पास कोई सपोर्ट नहीं है, आपको काम भी करना है, आपको घर भी चलाना है, आपको राशन भी खरीदना है, आपको सब ध्यान, ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस चीज ने मुझे एज एन इंडिविजुअल और स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दिया. एंड आई डोंट कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड फैमिली. आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी हम्बल फैमिली. नौकर चाकर नहीं हुआ करते थे. मैंने अपनी मम्मी को ही सब काम करते हुए देखा है. मैंने खुद उनके साथ काम कराया है. Probably that's why I can cook so well. And I'm not somebody जो कि अरे ये मैं कैसे करूँ. I think I can do any house chore very easily because that is how my upbringing was.
एंड इट्स आवर ओन हाउस, तो उसमें काम
हाँ
करने
बिल्कुल,
में-
एब्सोल्युटली. यू नो पंजाबी
घर में काम करने
पंजाबी
में
में
कैसी
कहावत
फर्क?
है कि जे रानी अपने पैर धोवे तो गोली नहीं हो जा. मतलब कि अगर महारानी कोई रानी है, अगर वो अपने पैर खुद साफ करती है तो वो गुलाम थोड़ी हो जाएगी.
Exactly.
So it's so मतलब I really don't care about this कि who will do this. No, I'm very happy to do my house chores if there is no help. But yeah, for every individual मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अपने जन्म स्थान से दूर आके, अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर आके, अपने आप से सब कुछ करना, वो आपको एज अ पर्सन जितना चेंज करेगा, जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा, और कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
इट्स लाइक यू आर रीबॉर्न.
Yes, and I'm not saying कि आप शादी होके किसी दूसरे घर में आ गए, आप उस घर. No, there also you have help. You have support. There is probably somebody already running that house. You are just gonna help that person. No, I'm saying live on your own. Earn and then do your खर्चा. Make a list. इतना खर्चा हुआ, इतना बचाना. I think that is very very important. At least मेरी लाइफ में, मेरी पर्सनालिटी में उस चीज ने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया फॉर गुड.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Yeah.
तो जब आप यहाँ पर आए थे, आप रूम शेयर करते थे
Yeah.
लोगों के साथ?
Yes. First, I stayed with a couple जो मुझे जानते थे, but for a week only, and then she said that the woman said that I have I have a sister. She stays with a girl in a 1 BHK, but still उनका खर्चा ज़्यादा है. They need another girl. So I was like, yeah, I would stay with them, and I went and stayed with them like in a 1 BHK. But then I've realized that after a couple of months that I can afford another house on my own. And then, after a couple of months, luckily because the show was doing well, you know,
The show was doing really well.
then I shifted.
Lovely. तो ऑटो रिक्शाज में वुड यू कम्यूट? क्योंकि मैंने एक स्टोरी सुनी थी जहाँ पर आप ऑटो से जा रहे थे और आपके ही किसी एक फैन ने यहाँ पर मुझे बताया था कि आप ऑटो से जा रहे थे, आपके बगल में एक और ऑटो जा रहे थे, उसमें 2 लड़कियां थी, एंड दे लुक्ड एट यू एंड दे वर लाइक, इज शी ज़ोया?
Oh yes,
Is she Zoya?
And they said no, this can't be. ऑटो में थोड़ी जाएगी वो. And I really wanted to tell them no, मैं हूँ. Like please, why not? I would still go ऑटो में. Why not? I really want to know क्यों नहीं? Problem क्या है? You know, it's not a big thing. Somebody going in auto, so what? मतलब अभी now this is not like something मैं बताना चाहती हूँ अपने इंटरव्यू में कि मैं आज भी ऑटो में ट्रैवल करती हूँ. क्या बड़ी बात हो गई भाई? आप ऑटो में जाते हैं, so what? मतलब मुझे लगता है it shouldn't be worth mentioning कि मैं आज भी ऑटो में जाती हूँ. हाँ भाई जाती हूँ, क्या बड़ी बात क्या है इसमें? So yeah, I think it shouldn't be a big deal. Yeah.
यू नो, आप बहुत सही कह रहे हो कि इट शुडंट बी अ बिग डील, बट जो लोग हैं जो प्यार करते हैं अपने एक्टर्स को, उनको एक अलग ही खुशी मिल जाती है व्हेन दे लुक एट देयर एक्टर्स बीइंग वन ऑफ देम.
यार वी आर वन ऑफ देम. एट लीस्ट आई एम वन ऑफ देम. मैं जितना रिलेट कर सकती हूँ उस हाउस होल्ड से या उन परिस्थितियों से, आई थिंक कोई और नहीं कर पाएगा. एंड आई थिंक दे शुड सी एंड लर्न that nothing is impossible for anybody. Because trust me गायत्री, अगर मैं जालंधर से उठ के बॉम्बे में आ सकती हूँ on my own, मैं काम कर सकती हूँ, of course मैं, let's not shy away from the fact कि it's just not you. There is destiny. And I strongly believe in that कि there is destiny. Stars जो matter करते हैं, जो आपको star बनाते हैं, because हर successful person probably is not talented, and every talented person is probably not successful, right? So किस्मत बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. But trust me, if you are passionate, see like how your show is behind the success. So my point is that अगर कोई एक्टर बनने आया है, वो एक्टिंग में अच्छा नहीं कर पाया, उसने अपने लिए कोई और लाइन चूज करी और उसमें वो अच्छा कर रहा है, that person is successful in that line. So let's not define our success on the basis of you've tried something and you've failed. Success is that you've tried something, it failed, you've tried something else and now you're doing good in that, right? So my point is that ये जो थोड़ा सा हम जज करते हैं कि एक्टिंग चल रही थी बट अब तो कुछ और कर रहे हैं. अब सक्सेस इज वेरी पर्सनल. You know, probably a person not doing anything but content mentally is also success. कोई काम करे जा रहा है और करे जा रहा है, हो सकता है भाई मजबूरी में कर रहा हो. Let's not call it success. Success is when you are happy, you are calm and you are content. That is success for me, right? So if whatever you are doing happily, whatever you are doing out of your choice is success. और अगर आपने हार जाना फेलियर होता है, राइट? कहीं पे कुछ ट्राई करना और आपकी बात नहीं बनी, दैट्स नॉट फेलियर फॉर मी.
दैट इज एक्सपीरियंस.
That is experience. You've tried one thing, nahi baat bani. I've tried this one, no. I mean, it's very personal. And my point is, let's not take anybody's opinion too seriously. किसी और को भी इतनी ताकत या तवज्जो ना दें कि उनका ओपिनियन आपको अफेक्ट करे नेगेटिवली. That's what I tell everybody. Like, for an example, social media. See, social media is very tricky, okay? People say good things about you. They say bad things about you. My point is, can't we just focus on good things and move on? So I tell my friends also, like, you know, sometimes I see कि किसी ने कोई बुरा comment कर दिया, they reply to it. My point is, let's not grace that comment with an answer, because any kind of response is a response.
Absolutely. Let's
Right.
not feed that energy.
Yeah, and I would say that to the people also who are commenting, you are not liking something, please don't waste your energy to establish that I'm not liking it. Move ahead. You are not liking that person, unfollow, block, mute. कुछ भी करें कि वो इंसान आपको दिखाई ना दे, rather than wasting your precious time on commenting negative on that person, right? So it's unhealthy mentally also, physically also. Nobody should do it. But yeah, coming back to the point, it's all depend. It depends upon how you are taking everything. Success, failure, everything is just temporary. आप एज अ पर्सन, आपकी जर्नी क्या है, आप क्या ग्रो कर रहे हैं, आपकी ग्रोथ किस दिशा में जा रही है, ये आपके लिए मैटर करना चाहिए, रादर देन कपल ऑफ टेम्परेरी थिंग्स कि मुझे कमेंट बुरे आ गए या लोग मुझे ट्रोल कर रहे हैं, या सेम आई वुड से टू द पीपल ऑल्सो. लाइक आपने बोला कि लोग रिलेट करते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट वी ओ एनीथिंग टू देम, यू नो. मतलब ऑफ कोर्स एज अ सेलिब्रिटी, if I'll say something, probably people are going to listen and do that. But at the end of the day, we are also human. Please, हमें उतना थोड़ा सा, you know, लिहाज रखें इस बात का that we can also do and right or, you know, go somewhere wrong. So I think, yeah, let's just not be too harsh.
Yeah, let's not be too harsh.
Or judgmental. Yeah.
Judgments तो हर दूसरा इंसान आजकल पास करता है.
Yeah.
बहुत, I think it's the easiest thing to do.
हाँ, I think the easiest thing to do is to hurt someone's ego. Yeah, मतलब I think it's very easy to hurt anybody's ego, यार. मतलब हर कोई, मुझे लगता है, ऐसा भरा हुआ रहता है कि कैसे बोल दिया, ऐसे कैसे कर
हाँ,
दिया.
मतलब इजीली ट्रिगर हो जाता
ट्रिगर हो जाता.
हाँ.
या that's what I'm saying, कि किसी की ईगो को हर्ट करना बहुत आसान है. या ऑफ कोर्स जज ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शुरू से ही करते हैं. आई थिंक अपन अपनी सोसाइटी में भी फील सी, हम ऐसे बात नहीं करते हैं कि टीवी वाले, फिल्मों वाले, नॉर्थ वाले, साउथ वाले, जेमिनाइज तो ऐसे ही होते हैं, एक्वेरियंस तो ऐसे ही, लड़के तो होते ही ऐसे हैं, या लड़कियां ऐसी होती हैं, यू नो. ये दीज बैंड्रा पीपल आर लाइक दैट. ओ माय गॉड, दैट पनवेज. सो आई थिंक इट इज वेरी, इट्स देयर इन आवर कल्चर टू जस्ट जज पीपल और on any basis. So it's very difficult to skip that and make a new thinking.
एब्सोल्युटली. और ये जितने भी लाइंस आपने कहे हैं, ये इतना हमारे वोकैबुलरी में फिट बैठ चुके हैं कि आप बोल दोगे और आपको रियलाइज भी नहीं होगा कि आपने ये कहकर जजमेंट पास कर दी.
ऑफ कोर्स, या बचपन से, मतलब अब हम तो सुन ही रहे हैं ना कि पंजाबी है. अच्छा, पंजाब में भी दुआबे वाले, माझे वाले, मालवे वाले, अमृतसर वाले, जलंधर वाले, लुधियाने, मतलब बचपन से यही तो देखा है. बहुत मुश्किल होता है जो आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग में घोट घोट के पिला दिया गया हो, उसको हटा के एक नई सोच विकसित करना. It's not easy.
It's not easy.
But I think you should do, everybody should do that. Yeah.
I think आपने बखूबी निभाया है ये चीज भी टीवी से आपने ओटीटी में ट्रांजिशन किया है। हम, जैसा मैंने कहा कि हम भी बहुत से लोगों एक्टर्स से बात करते हैं जहाँ वो कहते हैं कि उनके लिए वो किसी किसी के लिए ट्रांजिशन स्मूथ होता है, कोई लोग क्रैक ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। बट विथ यू हैव ट्रांजिशनड टू ओटीटी एंड योर सीरीज ऑल्सो हैज बीन वाइडली एक्सेप्टेड एंड लव्ड बाय एवरीवन। तो वो ट्रांजिशन कैसे हुआ?
इट वॉज नॉट अ लाइक डिसीजन कि मुझे अभी टीवी नहीं करना और मुझे OTT करना है, because I'm not going to shy away from the fact that whoever and whatever I am because of television, right? और again, जैसे मैंने बोला कि हर successful person talented नहीं है और हर talented person successful नहीं है. Same would go with I think ये जो सोच है बहुत हद तक बदल चुकी है, and I'm very happy that TV is little not that superior medium कि ये तो TV वाले हैं, we are the OTT people, or we are the ad makers, we are the ad people, or we are the film people. So you want to say that everybody who is associated to movies is by default good or better than someone who is associated with the TV industry. This thought in itself is very limited.
Yeah.
Right? So I don't agree with that thought. कि just because आप फिल्म में अभी, just to give you an example, एक कारीगर है, बहुत होनहार है, उसे कहा गया है कि आपको ये कढ़ाई करनी है, आपके पास 2 हफ्ते का टाइम है और इतना बजट है. वो जो कारीगर है अपनी जान लगा देगा और वो काम करेगा. अब उसी कारीगर को कहा जा रहा है कि आपको ये कढ़ाई करनी है सेम, लेकिन आपके पास 2 महीने का टाइम है और आपके पास बजट भी बहुत ज्यादा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स वही कारीगर वो काम बेटर तरीके से करेगा. So is there any problem with that karigar? No. Right. So in television, we do sometimes shoot for like 15 minutes. It's not easy. Right. But I would say कि television is a paid workshop. जहाँ पे sometimes you do not get, I remember एक बार एक film actor हमारे set पे आए थे to promote their film, and they said, I'm sorry if I fumble because I just got these lines 2 days back. I was like, 2 days back? हमें 2 घंटे पहले मिली है. So it's like, it's a paid workshop. TV में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि again, if you are passionate, if you are good, वो चाहे TV का writer है, चाहे director है, चाहे producer है और actor है, हम बहुत कम टाइम में बहुत ज्यादा काम करते हैं, बहुत मेहनत डालते हैं. हमारा वर्क कल्चर OTT से और फिल्मों से बहुत अलग होता है, क्योंकि फिल्म में आपको एक बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है, आपको कैरेक्टर पता होता है, आप बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप्स करते हैं, आप पूरी स्क्रिप्ट और कैरेक्टर पे काम करके आप सेट पे जाते हैं. टीवी में ऐसा नहीं होता है. बट ऑफ कोर्स रीच इतनी है टेलीविजन की that every film star wants to come to either reality show or fictional show just to promote their films. So yeah, जैसे कि आपने पूछा कि how was that transition? See, I'll tell you what, I wanted to do something, मतलब मुझे ये एक्सपीरियंस लेना था कि कैसा होता है when you get a bound script. And I think that happened when I did that film on, it was on ZEE5, Sonam Gupta Bewafa hai. But I've realized that it's not that simple also. Even if you get a film, आपको स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है, आपको कैरेक्टर मिलता है, लेकिन इट्स अ टीम वर्क. अगर मैं आज गाजर का हलवा बनाना चाहती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे ऊपर है, मेरे और उसके बीच में कोई भी नहीं है. बट आज अगर मैं किसी अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा बनना चाहती हूँ, उसमें बहुत सारे लोग शामिल हैं. If I don't get a good director, if I don't get a good DOP, if I don't get a good writer to begin with, I cannot be a part of a good project. So it's a team work, right? So anything, like now I've decided that, I will work with people मैं जिनके काम से convinced हूँ, मैं जिनकी सोच से convinced हूँ. Sometimes you get sources, you get budget and you get time. Still you end up doing something which is very average.
Yeah.
So right now, luckily, I'm that stage in my life जहाँ पे I can wait for a good project and just not rush into it. So yeah, be it, see, if there is a character and I don't want to play a character for a longer time, जैसे TV में करना पड़ता है. I wouldn't say no to a finite show जिसमें मुझे पता है that it's limited. I just want to play good character. I want to work with good people, good talented people. I want to be a part of a good show where the whole team is just passionate towards a project.
कबूल है काफी सालों तक चला था और उसमें आई थिंक आप
Yeah.
कांस्टेंट थी.
Yeah.
बाकी एक्टर्स चेंज होते गए.
Yeah.
10 लोगों के साथ टोटल आपने काम किया है.
Yes.
तो
Yeah.
that must be very exhausting.
Yeah, but I really feel कि उस शो ने मुझे बनाया था और which is of course not untrue. It is true. तो मेरा मन नहीं किया उस शो को छोड़ने का. That मुझे ऐसा लगा that okay, I will stick with that show till the end. And see, Gul was also like, you know, she was also sure that we'll not just drag one character. So she changed seasons.
Yeah.
And you know, she gave me different characters to play. So it was just not that I was not Zoya till the end. You know, so she also changed characters. She changed the story and the season. So that's why it didn't get boring for me also to perform.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just couldn't leave that show.
Neither can we.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
amazing.
So, when you talk about being in the industry and for so many years, I'm sure हर journey जो है वो straight line नहीं होती है. There are curves, ups and downs. हम आपके थ्रू लोगों को ये बताना चाहते हैं कि आप अपनी कोई ऐसी कहानी बताएं जिससे you know where you have been at your lowest, पर आपने उसको कैसे overcome किया.
यार एक तो मुझे ऐसा आई एम अ वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक पर्सन टू बिगिन विद. वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. मतलब आई एम वियर्डली ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. लाइक मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इफ इट्स अ वेरी बैड सिचुएशन इन माई हेड आई थिंक ये वर्स हो सकती थी. इट्स स्टिल बैड. आई कैन मैनेज. सो आई एम दैट ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, राइट. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि mentally strong होना चाहिए. I don't support where people are like, oh my God, I had a bad day, you know. Just मुझे ऐसा लगता है that you should be just thankful. Temporarily, of course, sometimes you feel weak, vulnerable and not your best. That is absolutely fine. आप अपने ऊपर ये प्रेशर भी मत डालें कि आपको हर बैटल लड़नी है और जीत के ही निकलना है. It's fine to feel vulnerable. बट हर चीज को अपने आप को अफेक्ट मत. सी अगेन, इफ यू गिव दैट पावर टू एवरीवन एंड एवरीथिंग कि कोई भी आके आपको अफेक्ट कर दे, तो उसमें आपकी गलती है. जो चीजें आपके हाथ में ही नहीं है, सम रैंडम पर्सन जिससे आप आज तक मिले ही नहीं है, अगर सोशल मीडिया पे अगर आपको कुछ बुरा बोल दे और आप अफेक्ट हो जाएं, तो उसमें आपकी गलती है मेरे हिसाब से. लेकिन अगर जो चीजें आपको डायरेक्ट अफेक्ट कर सकती हैं, ऑफ कोर्स सम डेज आर बैड. आई मीन I really just go into my zone. I watch Friends. That's my rescue to everything, every situation in life. And honestly, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that more time than less, I usually feel very, very grateful and thankful for everything that I have today and for all the love my See, मुझे again optimism में मुझे ऐसा लगता है that you know people who don't even know you, who've not even met you, they see your post, they send hearts. मतलब मुझे ऐसा आपको अच्छे comments मिल रहे हैं. Look at the love that you are getting. इसको छोटा मत समझें या इसको ये मत समझें कि अब हम तो सेलिब्रिटी हैं या we are actors, लोग भेजते रहते हैं. Have you ever realized the fact कि ये कितनी बड़ी बात है? प्यार, like for me, I think it is the most powerful feeling in the world. And you are just getting it from unknown people, like from strangers. So I'm that person जिससे ऐसा लगता है that it is so fulfilling, it is so satisfying कि लोग आपसे इतना प्यार करते हैं. And don't take it as a pressure that you just have to. Again, जैसे मैंने कहा, you are also a person or normal human being at the end of the day. Don't go harsh on yourself, but don't let anything affect you.
Yeah, that is.
You really have to find the balance. हम बहुत vulnerable हो जाते हैं यार. हमें कोई भी बुरा comment आए या कुछ trolling हो जाए, we are really very vulnerable. But just get little bit strong and don't let anything affect you.
You know, you rightly said कि अभी देखो रियल लाइफ में अगर आपको 2-3 लोग आपकी तारीफ कर दे या आपसे प्यार से बात कर ले, you get so happy. लेकिन इंस्टाग्राम पर अगर 6 लोग भी आपको आपके पोस्ट पर कमेंट करते हैं, अच्छा कमेंट कर रहे हैं, तब भी लोगों को ऐसा लगता है अरे बहुत कम कमेंट्स आए, सिर्फ 6 आए हैं।
नो, एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है बुरे कमेंट्स पे फोकस करते हैं।
हाँ,
अगर 10 में से 2 ने बुरा कर दिया, उसको जवाब देने लगते हैं। Why?
मत करो।
Let's not do that. That's what I'm saying. Let's not feed it. Any kind of response is a response. Let's not respond to them. Please focus on the good part. Focus on the things that, where they're sending I love you and I don't know in what languages they say, or मैं translate करके, sometimes I see it's like we love you, you are the best girl. Oh my God, I'm so thankful and grateful for this love. I always say it, in front of the camera because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस माध्यम से मैं और लोगों को बता सकती हूँ that how grateful I am for all this love. Even if I'm having like a bad day, if you think, just for a while, कि आपके इतने followers हैं और वो सब आपसे इतना प्यार करते हैं, it's such a beautiful feeling.
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है बहुत टाइम एक्टर्स और पीपल विद सच फॉलोअर्स, बिग फैन फॉलोइंग, इस चीज को ना थोड़ा ऐसा फॉर ग्रांटेड भी ले लेते हैं. वी शुडंट डू दैट.
We shouldn't.
Yeah.
आपकी लाइफ का जो पहला इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट था, वो that was for South Africa, I think.
Yeah.
And that was because of the hashtag ASIA
Yeah.
for Kabul hai.
Yeah.
And was that your first ever international flight
Yes.
in life?
Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. And मैंने इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमी बहुत बाद में ट्रैवल किया. See, I'll tell you what, my life was like, we were very normal, as I said, from a very simple, humble background, where I used to travel in buses, trains, right? Like, we've seen really hard, difficult financial days. तो जैसे आपने बोला ना, sometimes when things go wrong and things don't go your way, how do you, just think positive and stay positive? मतलब मुझे ऐसा, I'm not complaining about the life that I had. बट अगर मैं पर्सनल अगर मैं बात करूं, तो जो मेरी जिंदगी मुंबई आने के बाद बदली है, बस मुझे उतना ही याद करना है कि हाउ इट वॉज बिफोर एंड हाउ इट इज नाउ. कुछ भी कर लो, it's gonna be better only what it was back then. If I'll just see the financial perspective, in it was difficult. Like, see, for it, aaj I say very proudly, yes, I travel by auto. Back then, when people know, like students, I was very small, and then my classmates used to tell, "Oh my God, your father don't have a car," and I used to feel bad. Back then, I didn't have that courage that, no, we don't have a car. Like, we don't have a house of our own. इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी मुझ में कि मैं बोलूं कि yes, we stay in one room rented apartment. I used to not call my friends home because I was ashamed of the fact that we have less money than them. But I think वो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है आप किस माहौल में बड़े हुए हैं. Like today, I would say that, कहीं ना कहीं जो मेरे क्लासमेट्स ऐसे पूछते थे कि आपके पास गाड़ी नहीं है और आपके पास अपना घर नहीं है, what kind of upbringing they've had, it's wrong just to ask your class. Now I don't know, it was there in my city, in my school, or it's everywhere. I'm not going to generalize it again, right? But yeah, I've had that time, we've experienced that. And if अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि आज समझ, एक्सपोजर, मैच्योरिटी उस टाइम पे नहीं थी, राइट? अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि क्या फर्क पड़ता था, क्यों आई यूज्ड टू बी सो ashamed or scared of the fact. Like now I just don't give a damn about these things. But of course I think that all comes out of maturity. Like I don't own a certain bag of a certain brand. Yeah, I don't. But now I have that exposure, और उतनी हिम्मत आप कहिए या उतनी समझ कहिए. Back then जब आप I think बच्चे होते हैं, छोटे होते हैं, छोटी छोटी अपनी दुनिया में उलझे होते हैं, तब इतनी समझ नहीं होती.
यही तो लाइफ है ना, कि आप धीरे धीरे ही इवॉल्व होते हो. अगर बचपन से ही इतनी समझ होती तो
Yeah.
आपके एक्सपीरियंस, आपके लर्निंग से, आप एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीखते कैसे?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think kudos to my mother, my father also, क्योंकि उन्होंने बोला that my mother actually used to tell us कि अगर आप काबिल बनते हैं, नॉट ओनली इन स्टडीज, है ना, अपना काम अगर आप मेहनत से करते हैं, सो ये ना चीजें उन्होंने, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सही जगह पे हमें फोकस में रखा कि आप अपने काम की तरफ, लाइक स्लोली शी इज ऑल्सो रियलाइज दैट आई एम जेन्युइनली गुड इन थिएटर, सो शी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड सपोर्टिंग दैट कि अच्छा ठीक है तुम करो, कोई बात नहीं, बट पढ़ाई में भी ध्यान देना। तो मतलब उन्होंने वही जो अपब्रिंगिंग है, शी सेड इट्स फाइन, लाइक कभी पैसा होता है, कभी पैसा नहीं होता, इसको अफेक्ट मत होने दो, कोई बात नहीं, आप काम मेहनत से करो, जो मेहनती होते हैं उनको हमेशा सक्सेस मिलती है, ऑल दोज फिलोसफिकल थिंग्स शी यूज्ड टू टेल अस, एंड आई थिंक वो उन चीज़ों ने बहुत इम्पैक्ट डाला। एंड टुडे ऑल्सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट ऑफकोर्स सही चीज़ें सही टाइम पे आपके पास आती हैं, बट वो जो कंटेंटमेंट है वो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसी अपब्रिंगिंग से और जो माँ बाप की सिखाई हुई चीज़ें उनसे भी आती हैं। सो दैट्स वाई प्रॉब्ली आई एम सो कंटेंट, लाइक आई वॉज ऑलवेज दैट पर्सन जिसको नहीं ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है पार्टी पे जाना और बहुत ज़्यादा सोशल इवेंट्स पे जाना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। एंड आई थिंक सिंस द टाइम आई हैव मेट माई हस्बैंड, मतलब वो तो मुझे ऐसा लगा दैट दोज बर्ड्स ऑफ द सेम फेदर, मतलब
टुगेदर।
ऑफ कोर्स मुझे ऐसा लगा, ओ माय गॉड ही इज जस्ट लाइक मी। तो जितना मैं पहले थोड़ा बहुत एफर्ट कर भी लिया करती थी, आई एब्सोल्युटली स्टॉप दैट। सो नाउ आई वाज लाइक या इट्स फाइन इफ आई, बहुत लोग मुझसे नाराज भी हुए, मतलब बहुत सारी दोस्तियां, उन्हें ऐसा लगा दैट आई हैव चेंज्ड, you were not like that before you've met him. But if I think ki have I changed, no, probably now I'm just comfortable in myself, like with whoever I am, however I am. Probably पहले मैं फिर थोड़े से efforts कर लिया करती थी. I'm not saying that I don't value my friendships, but I've always had like few friends, but now I have fewer friends. But yeah, they just understand.
Exactly. The real ones will understand.
Yeah, and they will stick
They
with
will
you. Yeah. Because see गायत्री क्या होता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that अगर कोई कहे कि तुम ना बदल गए हो, that's not bad. Change is the only constant. So if जो मुझे इंसान आज से 10 साल पहले जानता था वो आज बोले, सी कोर नहीं चेंज होता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कैरेक्टर चेंज नहीं होता है, हैबिट्स चेंज हो जाती हैं। सो इफ somebody will come and tell me that you have changed, yes, probably that person is right, I have changed, but that's who I am now, right? So मतलब अब मुझे हक है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि कोई मुझे और 10 साल बाद मिले तो बोले यार तुम तो बदल गई for good. My point is that for good, and वो चेंज आपकी पर्सनालिटी में, आपके व्यक्तित्व में आते रहना चाहिए. I think that is very very important.
Yeah. So please tell us, how did you meet your husband?
Yeah. So I bought my first house in Bombay, and I was, meeting some architects or interior designers because I wanted my house in a certain way, and they all were like, with their own, जैसे हर कोई पढ़ाई करके आता है, नहीं ऐसा कर देंगे वैसा कर देंगे, and I was having a very hard time to explain those people that I want my house ऐसे. So then I met a friend of mine, and he said, I know a guy. उसने अपना घर बहुत अच्छा बनाया और जैसा तुम बोल रही हो तुम्हें उसका घर अच्छा लगेगा. सो आस्क दैट पर्सन कि उसने किससे बनवाया, ही विल हेल्प यू. एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम. इट वाज 2016 when I met Sumit, and I went to his house, and I really liked his house. And he said that मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे कि मैं आर्किटेक्ट को हायर करूं, तो मेरे दिमाग में एक क्लैरिटी थी कि मुझे ऐसा घर चाहिए. एज लाइक सेम, मेरे भी दिमाग में मुझे क्लैरिटी है कि मुझे ऐसा घर चाहिए. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट समबडी जो एग्जीक्यूट करवा दे. सो ही सेड कि मैं फ्री हूँ तो आई कैन हेल्प यू, एंड ही डिड हेल्प मी. आई पेड हिम फॉर दैट, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी स्टार्टेड डेटिंग. I still am asking my money back. He's like, please give my money back.
He'll say घर में ही पैसा आया है.
Like, it's okay, you've invested here only, कहीं नहीं जा रहा, it's with me only.
But man, 2016 to 2025,
Oh my God, yeah.
you managed to keep it under wraps.
Because that's who I am. Yeah. And he is also, I would say, is borderline antisocial. So he's also not, see again, his journey, the way he came to Bombay and what he did, how he did, he is like, he's like a phoenix. He can raise from his ashes. one hard-working guy. So, and when I met him, I spent time with him. I've really liked him for who he was. Like, he was not somebody ki, I've called my dad for some help or my mom will help me. No. Like, today also, Gayatri, I'm not kidding. It's been, so many years of dating. If he still has to say something to me, he's very hesitant. उसका issue है dependency से. So, जो मैं आपको चीज बोल रही हूँ ना कि एक नए शहर में आके अपने आप से अपनी जिंदगी बनाना, हर चीज खुद से करना, ये किसी इंसान के ऊपर बहुत पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट डालता है. Everybody should do that. So, I think he's also like that. And I am also like that. And that's why we connected and we started dating and now we are married.
ब्यूटिफुल. जब आपने वेडिंग का वीडियो डाला था विद दैट सॉन्ग कैलाश खेर जी का, ओह माय गॉड, इट जस्ट टच्ड हार्ट्स.
I know. That was again because I told you he is not a person who will be like, chalo ek big fat Punjabi wedding karte hain. So he's like, can't we just go in the court and sign it? I was like, no. मैं हर बात तुम्हारी मानती हूँ, एज इन लाइक म्यूचुअली, बट ये मुझे ये करना है. मेरे छोटे छोटे शौक है कि मेहंदी हो, ढोल की बज रही हो और हल्दी हो एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो ही इज लाइक, ओके लेट्स डू इट. सो ही ओनली एग्जीक्यूटेड मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड वी जस्ट चोज. मतलब इट वॉज अ वेरी ब्रूटल फिल्टर, गायत्री, क्योंकि आपकी शादी में जब आपके रिश्तेदार और दोस्तों को मिला के सिर्फ 70 लोग होते हैं, सो ऑफ कोर्स it had to be like a very brutal filter. But yeah, we put that and it was a fun wedding. Like, everybody, हमें बस ऐसे लोग चाहिए थे जिनसे हमें ये खतरा होना हो, नाराज होके चले जाएंगे, रूठ के चले जाएंगे, मनाना पड़ेगा. आइए, एंजॉय कीजिए, खाना खाइए, फोटो खिंचवाइए, डांस कीजिए, ब्लेस कीजिए एंड सो ऐसे लोग चुन के आपको डालने पड़ेंगे. People were really angry, some people
भी हुए होंगे. इतना फिल्टर किया है.
Of course, some of them unfollowed me from Instagram because I didn't invite them.
But that's childish, no?
Because मैं पहले सोचा कि हम तो इतने अच्छे दोस्त भी नहीं है. Just Instagram following, आपको एक दूसरे को आप फॉलो करते हैं, वो आप एक दूसरे के दोस्त नहीं बन जाते हैं,
Right.
Socially आप Instagram पे जानते हैं एक दूसरे की लाइफ को, but somehow आपको ऐसा लगता है that you are close to that person, but it's not that. It's not that. So but it happened. It went very smoothly, and we really had a lot of fun.
So glad, the way you talk about him, your face is just glowing.
Yeah, he's my favorite person. I think बहुत कुछ निर्भर करता है आपके पार्टनर के ऊपर. अगेन, जैसे मैंने कहा कि आप हर किसी को इतनी पावर ना दें कि आपको कोई अफेक्ट कर सके, बिकॉज योर पार्टनर के पास तो वो सुपर पावर रहती है, सबसे ज्यादा उसी के पास पावर रहती है टू हर्ट यू और टू मेक यू हैप्पी. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन. Please take your time and make that decision for yourself. It cannot be in a rush. It cannot be that your parents liked somebody. I'm not saying that it's wrong, right? But you also should take your time and spend some time with that person because you're going to spend your entire life with that person. सोच मिलना, thoughts मिलना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, गायत्री, because now as I say that, he also works from home, I am also home when I'm not shooting. We are not desperate to go out. No, we are just very happy because, okay, in our house, we have our separate rooms. That is also out of choice because he lived on his own, alone, for most of his life.
Okay.
Same with me. So, हमें ना बड़ा वही, again, it's a mutual decision. It's rare, but होता है बहुत. मैंने सुना है that, and we've also decided that we really want our own rooms, my own cupboard, my own bathroom, my own wardrobe, and my space. So yeah, that's how sometimes we do. He's in his room, I'm in my room, but still we are together. We watch something together. So this happened because our thoughts were very similar. We were on the same page.
And that also means that you're giving each other the space.
Yeah. So I'm not saying that's the only way you can give each other space, but yeah, that's how we are doing it, and yeah, we are happy. Like he's like, मैं जब नहाऊं बाथरूम सूखा होना चाहिए. Like yeah, मैं भी जब नहाऊं तो सूखा, तो कैसे कौन पहले नहाएगा? Let's have just our own respective bathrooms and rooms. Yeah, that's the settlement for us.
बट ये peer pressure भी बहुत होता है लोगों पर.
Yeah.
लाइक
Yes.
जैसे कि लेट्स से हमारे ग्रुप के सारे लोगों ने शादी कर ली, एक कोई बंदा बचा हुआ है या
Yeah.
बंदी बची हुई है, देन वो प्रेशर आता ही है.
I think पेरेंट्स से भी बहुत ज्यादा.
पेरेंट्स से भी
कि
बहुत आता
सबकी
है.
बट आई डोंट नो, आई हैव अ वेरी कूल. एक तो मेरी मम्मी तो मुझे लगता है बदल ही गई यार. शी यूज्ड टू बी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. नाउ तो शी इज लाइक सुपर कूल. मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं इट कम्स आउट ऑफ the thing that your child is independent now, financially, socially, you know. तो I'm not saying कि फिर बच्चे कहना ना माने पेरेंट्स का, but I think parents also they understand कि अगर ये खुद से she can create a life of her own. So then of course we should give her some time. But my parents, you know, they were very clear. Don't rush. हम कोई pressure नहीं डाल रहे. And I'm surprised they never even asked me कि जल्दी कर लो, या of course I've told them about Sumit that I'm dating this guy, and they were like ठीक है, अगर समझ में आ गया तो कर लेना शादी. So my point is that parents should also be little, it's a very personal thing first of all. It's your own choice. I'm not saying do it early, I'm not saying do it late, I'm not saying do it under pressure, and I'm not saying ki don't go with your parents' choice. However, whenever you want to do it, you have to be sure. You know, my point is that love marriages can also end up in, like, you know, separation.
Yeah.
Or an arranged marriage can also go forever. So it depends. You know, life throws a lot of things on its way. But yeah, it depends upon how strong you are and how content you are, I think. And how much you are growing with time. Like, मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि शुरू में हमारी जिन बातों पे लड़ाइयाँ होती थी, वो शायद आज वो सिचुएशन होगी तो हम नहीं लड़ेंगे. So I think that is very important. You have to grow as a person. Grow for good. आपकी सोच बढ़नी चाहिए, आपकी सोच का दायरा बढ़ना चाहिए. चीजें आप और एक्सपीरियंस करें और उसको अपने व्यक्तित्व में लाएं. आप grow करें. I think that's my only thing. I think most successful are those people who are just growing with time in life.
With time in life.
Yeah, that is very
Yeah.
important.
And I think you should just follow your own growth. You have to see your graph.
Yeah, there is no parameter. No, आप
Yeah.
कैसे नापेंगे success को?
Exactly.
कैसे आप decide करेंगे कि that person is doing more work, but that person is mentally unstable. उसको रात को नींद नहीं आती है. वो, you know, that person is going through anxiety. So probably that person is okay with that. But for me, that's not success. Again, सक्सेस की परिभाषा, सही और गलत की परिभाषा हर इंसान की अलग होती है. ये मुझे भी बहुत लेट समझ आया. मुझे ऐसा लगता था जो मेरा ठीक है वही ठीक है, जो मेरा गलत है ये तो गलत है. इट टुक सम टाइम फॉर मी ऑल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हर किसी की सही गलत की किताब अलग है.
अलग है.
यू नो, इट्स नॉट दैट कि टीचर ने बोला ओपन योर बुक एट पेज नंबर 36. हर किसी के 36 पेज नंबर पे अलग अलग लिखा होता है. हर किसी की लाइफ के डिसीजंस के बेसिस पे उसकी लाइफ की किताब बनती है. सो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि हर किसी का सही गलत अलग अलग है.
अलग.
हर किसी की ग्रोथ की स्पीड अलग अलग है. हर किसी की सक्सेस के मायने अलग अलग है.
अलग है.
True. There is no set parameter for anything.
So when you met Sumit in 2016, had he watched your shows Nagin and Kabul Hai?
नागिन तो तब आया ही नहीं था.
हाँ,
कबूल है,
तब
yes.
नहीं है.
Yeah, कबूल है, yes.
He had watched.
Yeah, he did tell me that. हाँ, he did. He's a man of few words.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did Nagin happen to you? Because as far as I know, you weren't convinced. आप नहीं करना चाहती.
No, I was
But,
not convinced.
आज अगर हम देखें तो it is one of the biggest universes on TV.
It is one of the best decisions of my life. I mean, I'm glad that I did Nagin. You know, agar, see, Kabul Hai was like here, and I'm not saying Nagin, again, koi parameter tha and all of that. But of course, it was absolutely different than Kubul Hai. मुझे भी एक different character करने को मिला, and I have a different fan base only of Nagin. And I was not very convinced. मुझे ऐसा लगता था that it's not my kind of acting. मैं कैसे करूँगी, कैसे मैं ये character play करूँगी. And then somehow Sumit said that if you want to do something in television, why not do their number one show? Nagin back then was number one.
Yeah.
And I remember my meeting with the Ekta. And oh my God, she narrates you a story and then she has that superpower on you. वो अगर वो उस टाइम बोलती ना कि चींटी का कैरेक्टर है, मैं वो भी प्ले करने को तैयार हो जाती. वो इतने अच्छे से नरेट करती हैं और क्या उनकी story narration and what characterization, she is amazing in that, right? And of course उस टाइम जो मैंने third season किया, genuinely बहुत अच्छी story थी. And then I sat with myself and I convinced that if Superman can actually fly, if Spider-Man can make web and something like that, then why cannot a serpent turn into a human? Why cannot we have our own superhero? Again, they have probably more budgets and more time. So, you know, their graphics and their visual effects and something is just better than us. But हमारे पास जितने resources हैं और हमारे पास जितना हमारे सीमित resources में हम बना सकते हैं, I think we really made an amazing show. Again, but I hear that, you know, if you play like a very prominent character on television, then of course you face hard time, you know, going in a film audition or an OTT audition, because you know you are very popular on television. But now luckily the casting agents, the casting directors of our industry, unki soch and I think their decisions about this, that, you know, a person is a TV person, a person is very popular on TV, it's been changed.
Fading away.
Of course. And gone are the days when, you know, if you're a TV actor, you will not get a chance in film or in OTT. That's not the case anymore. And we see a lot of actors, we see a lot of faces who were previously in television and now they are doing so well. Because I think now everybody is just, you know, understanding the fact that a good actor is a good actor, no matter on what platform they are performing. Be it Pankaj Tripathi, be it like, you know, Yami Gautam, be it Mrinal, everybody, like, you know, they all used to do television. So I think it's very easy. The casting, kudos to our casting directors also.
I would also like to mention Sargun Mehta.
Yeah, she's doing so well in Punjabi.
Jasmine, and even you.
Yeah.
All of us.
But my point is, I would still say that I want to do good character. मेरे लिए आज भी this cannot be the demarcation के मुझे अभी TV नहीं करना है, मुझे अच्छा project करना है is my only demand. That's it.
So भी जितने भी co-actors के साथ आपने काम किया है, आपका link up rumor सबके साथ होता है, सबके साथ.
I know. People still ask me to just leave Sumit and marry Paul. I was like, okay.
So how would Sumit react to these rumors?
He is very, very mature. We don't even discuss. Yeah. I mean, seriously, it's not even a matter of discussion or even a joke. Like sometimes probably, मुझे याद है एक बार मैंने ही अपने बर्थडे पे कि पता नहीं पर्ल के बर्थडे पे I posted a series of pictures जिसमें कोई और था मेरे साथ और उन्होंने edit करके पर्ल की फोटो लगा दी थी or something like that. Yeah, so then probably it can be a topic of mockery or fun or like, you know, how people love a couple or like with anybody जिनके साथ भी link up की चीजें आई, but it's just their love for the character that we play. Yeah,
absolutely. In fact, you know, बीच में जब आप ऋत्विक के साथ इतने photos post करते थे, इतने videos post करते, झल्लो, he would keep calling. तब तो लोगों ने मतलब मान ही लिया था that you guys are together.
Yeah. There was a news article in a very renowned newspaper that we are getting married. Me and Ritwik are getting married. And after a couple of months, there was again an article that we are getting married. Like, it was me and Sumit. I was like, this time at least they get the guy right. But yeah, it was. So now when I got married, then Ritik said, "I'm so happy now. People would really understand that I'm single and they can approach." Because people were really under the impression that we were dating. It's like, अगर मैं किसी के साथ जाके बात भी करता हूँ तो मुझे ये सुनने को मिलता है, अरे यार, he is with Surbhi, what is he doing? It's like then I have to go and clarify that no, I'm not dating anybody.
बट वो बॉन्ड इतना प्यारा है एक्चुअली लोगों को एक लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते आई थिंक गॉन आर दोस डेज
Yeah. Oh,
Done
come
and
on.
dusted now.
Yes. I mean, it is not the case. It was never the case. I would say, like, for me, like me and Karan, we both are still very good friends. Like, very good friends. Because I think he's seen me grow. I've started my journey with him. And recently also we did an ad together.
Yeah, that ad, oh my god.
I know, it was like so good. It was
So good.
Yeah, and I'm so comfortable with him. And I think we really share a very, very good bond. In fact, with Varun also, he's probably one of the best people I know in my life. He's in New Zealand right now, not pursuing acting. But yeah, he's also my very, very good friend. And we were always friends. There were like link up rumors there also. But yeah, I think ये लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते is a very old school statement.
Done and dusted.
Yeah.
All these years आपने जितना भी काम किया है जितना भी आपने सीखा है if you had to sum it up in a movie title तो क्या होगा और let's say सुरभि ज्योति की ऑटोबायोग्राफी का नाम क्या होगा
Chamatkar. Yeah. Oh yes, I think it was the chamatkar only how I landed up here from Jalandhar, and every day. See, again, मैंने वही बोला, because of my optimism, I really feel that today I'm sitting here with you. There are people there. There are people watching us through the camera lens. They're gonna send their love, and the way we impact someone's life by playing a character. It's all a miracle. Everything that you do with passion is a miracle.
is a miracle
So yeah, I think you just have to notice. छोटा चमत्कार, बड़ा चमत्कार. Probably आपकी परिभाषा या आपकी सोच में you are just waiting for a certain moment or a certain thing to happen and then you would call it chamatkar. But no, there is your plan and then there is life's plan. So just go with the flow and probably then you will enjoy your life and your journey more. That's what I do and I enjoy.
yeah so मैंने बीच में कहीं पढ़ा था that कबूल है दोबारा आ रहा है and you and Karan Singh Grover are in talks तो is it true
No, we did in fact do one season. That was Kabul Hai 2.0.
2.0
Yeah, but we are not.
2005.
Yes, we are not continuing that also because of some internal things with the channel and with the production or something like that. But yeah, we are not shooting Kabul Hai. I mean,
the fans will really get heartbroken after
we can shoot
listening to
something
this.
else though. I mean, let's just manifest that. We can play any other character, but Kabul Hai, Zoya said it's not happening again for sure. Yeah, sorry.
But how is your bonding with him so many
With
years
Karan,
together?
no, it's good. Again, because I'm not a person who'll just go out and meet and chit chat. No, but I know that he's there when I need him. Whenever I want to talk to him, I do, and he's there for me. I'm there for him, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful what we share. He's amazing.
So सुरभि अब हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे आपके शुरुआती दिनों में
Okay.
और आपको कुछ तस्वीरें दिखाएंगे आपको उससे जुड़ी हुई कहानी बता रही है
Yeah.
ठीक
Cool.
तो पहली फोटो है आपके दोस्तों के साथ
Oh.
एंड हियर
Yeah, this was Thailand. Yeah, Thailand में गई थी and Dhanya, Asha and Riddhi. It was my first trip to Thailand. We really had a lot of fun. Yeah, it was fun. It was, I think, a boat ride हमने की थी. Yeah, and during this ride only, I did my first ever scuba dive and everything. Yeah, with Asha. Asha को भी swimming नहीं आती थी, मुझे भी नहीं आती थी, and then we still attempted that because you are with that gear and
Yeah.
oxygen cylinder or something like that. Yeah, so we did that. It was a fun trip.
For those who don't know who's Dhanya, it's with
Ritvik.
Vic.
Yeah. Yeah. पर्ल और मैं आई थिंक नागिन से रिलेटेड ही कुछ इवेंट था.
There's a train, Celebrity Express peak.
या सो इट वाज आई थिंक बिग बॉस का लॉन्च था या कुछ कलर्स का ही एक इवेंट था एंड वी वर ऑन द स्टेज एंड या दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन आई हैड बैंग्स.
You still have bangs.
I know, back to square one. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, नागिन की मैं अगर बात करूँ तो टीवी में अगर आपने नागिन कर लिया उससे बड़ा कुछ नहीं है.
Of course, it's the number one franchise.
It's the number one franchise.
And our season was so popular because I think we really had beautiful story.
Yeah.
The story and everything was just too good. It was very good.
This is my personal favorite song, and I can't tell you, I've heard it on loop and I remember each and every word.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful.
It is a beautiful
The
song.
story.
See, again, as I mentioned before also, किसी चीज को अच्छा होने के लिए हमारी इंडस्ट्री में पूरी टीम लगती है. It has to be like teamwork. So now Ali, fabulous actor. Our director was Guru. He's a very, very dear friend. He's the director of Mirzapur.
Okay.
So imagine that director, DOP हमारे बाबा, again, Mirzapur के DOP. And he is also an actor for Mirzapur. So उस time पे they took that team and of course the girl also they wanted to take somebody else. But then they said that no, it'll be like so Mirzapur. So then they called me and I did that song. It was in Chandigarh, Sukhna Lake के पास हमने ये शूट किया. एंड यू नो अनलाइक मेनी अदर सॉन्ग्स, क्योंकि जब भी कोई रोमांटिक सॉन्ग होता है ना थोड़ा हाई स्पीड में होता है, स्लो मोशन में, बट गुरमीत ऑलवेज डज इट लाइक यू नो ऑन अ रियल स्पीड. एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर वाज अ स्टोरी एंड आई रियली एंड विशाल
vocal.
oh my god, he is just too good. He's amazing. I also had an amazing time shooting the song.
Amazing. And is this one of your first music videos?
One of no, it is
It's
my
my first music video, right?
video, yeah.
Kashmir.
Yeah, this is very recent. This is while we were shooting Guna. And he's also very good. He doesn't talk much. It's very difficult also sometimes because I see, for me, when I'm meeting a person, again, as I told you that I don't have many friends out of choice. But when I'm working with somebody, when I get a chance to know about someone, for me, it's like reading a book. You don't know what's the story there. You don't know what are the characters. So for me, I really love talking to a person because I'm very present. You know, I really can't handle probably 50 people, but if only there are 5 people, I'm there. So with him, why I'm saying I had a hard time, because he doesn't talk. He is like, you know, so you really have to start a conversation. And he also realized that with me. And he says in his interviews that I'm his favorite co-actor. I don't know on what basis he says that, but because I told him that, you know, it's okay to talk to me. You please feel comfortable. You can talk to me. I'm not going to judge you. So you don't have to be someone else and start a conversation. But yeah, he's not somebody who will talk a lot. But he's a very good actor.
He's a great actor.
Yeah.
We've discussed, but here we have a photo.
Mr. Sumit Suri. Yeah, it's
your wedding day. So, the outfit and everything, it's all decided by you.
Yeah. Yes, I really wanted to go cliche. I don't mind cliche if it's good, you know, just for the sake of doing something different. If I like something which is going on since ages, जो सदियों से चलता आ रहा है, मुझे पसंद है. मुझे हल्दी पे पीला ही पहनना है, मुझे मेहंदी पे सूट सलवार ही पहनना है हरे रंग का, और परांदा लगाना है चोटी, बिकॉज आप मुझे पंजाब से निकाल लेंगे, पंजाब को मेरे अंदर से नहीं निकाल पाएंगे, राइट? सो आई एम अ हार्ड कोर पंजाबन. एंड मुझे लाल जोड़ा ही पहनना था शादी पे, और गजरा लगाना था. ऑल दोज क्लीशे थिंग्स जो मैंने प्रॉब्ली बचपन से, और जब से मैंने वो फिल्म देखी थी, what was that film where ऐश्वर्या looked her best?
हम दिल दे चुके.
Yes. See, हम दिल दे चुके सनम. तब से मुझे लगा कि मुझे बस नीता लुल्ला किसी तरह शादी के लिए तैयार कर दे, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाऊंगी. So, and fortunately, I knew her. I reached out and I said that, ma'am, I really want to be a Nita Lulla bride. And she's like, okay. Oh, that is also one wonderful lady. Like, she is so nice. You know, she customized this for me. She didn't have to, but she did, because she said, you know, Surbhi, it's your wedding. So I like this kadhai with this combination in this color. So she said, okay, I will do everything. I will customize that for you. He customized for Sumit also. And you know, मेरे लहंगे पे और उसकी शेरवानी पे same कढ़ाई थी, and oh my god.
Oh yes, I mean दूर से तो दिखेगा नहीं, but I can
Because
see.
Sumit is like, मुझे सब फीका चाहिए. So he is also like, you know, a very black and white guy. So he wanted to wear white, but I was like, कुछ तो दूल्हा लगो. तो थोड़ी जो मैम ने कढ़ाई करी, it was like same as my
सेम
लहंगा.
कढ़ाई है, हाँ.
Yeah. मेरे जैसे अपनी नानी के घर में ना ऐसी सुराहियां देखी थी, तो I just wanted to go like, you know, very traditional, जैसा old पंजाब में, old Pakistan when, you know, we were one, वैसा हुआ करता था. So I wanted that sort of कढ़ाई, and she did that for me, and she's amazing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Both of you look amazing together.
Thank you.
With Salman Khan.
This, yeah, I think Big Boss का हमने एक promo shoot किया था. We just did that because we wanted people probably to think that I'm going to Big Boss, but I was not going to Big Boss. But yes, it was just a PR trick.
Would you ever go to Big Boss? Are you open to doing reality shows like Big Boss?
No. I think I'm not that competitive. I used to be very competitive when I used to participate in theatre and in debates in college. I won so many national championships in debate, but that's what I wanted to do. Like, you know, you just go and perform a character and probably say your lines. Big Boss is very difficult for me, but still, you know, never say never. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुंबई में ना मैं एक्टिंग करने आई हूँ, ऐसे किसी प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेने नहीं आई हूँ. You know, and by nature also I'm not that competitive, that if I'm just rehearsing and doing my best performance and still they're saying you were good but somebody else was little better. So I mean, I just don't want to go that hard on me. It's just not me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again, a picture with your friends.
Oh my god, yeah, this is the New Year, and yeah, a lot of them are there. There's Asha, Sehban, Rahul, Aditi, Gina, and Afreen. And yes, it was New Year. Again, as I said that, you know, Sumit is very, let's just be home and I don't want to do anything. He's not very big on, it's my birthday, what are the plans? It's New Year, क्या करना है? उसके लिए like every day can be like, you know, we can be happy, and the same he's that. But then Asha called me and was like, you want to come out and do something? Because she's also someone who doesn't step out easily. So I said, yeah, I can come. So again, it's the understanding that, you know, Sumit was home and I went out. I just enjoyed, had food with them, and I came back. This was New Year 2024.
This one.
Oh my god, that's Mummy, Shanu and me. I think Shanu 3 साल का होगा और मुझसे 5 साल छोटा है. So yeah, I was, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I was 7, 8 years old, and that's my mom, and yeah, that's my brother.
You look like your mom.
Really? I think I look like my father. I do. I look like my father.
You do?
Yeah. My mom also has like sharp jawline.
Yeah, I think it's because of the jawline. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
Jawline and chiseled face.
हाँ, इस वजह से लग रहा होगा.
Probably, yeah.
But you're blessed with good jawline.
I know my mother can cut a tomato with her jawline. Like very, very sharp features she has. And my father also, you know, they are fit and they really take care of their health. And yeah, it's just genetics.
So this for all the loyalists.
Yeah, that's
Asad and Zoya.
Asad and Zoya. Wow. This time is very, you know, very close to my heart, you know, when I was shooting with him, because, you know, you are getting so much of love and acknowledgement and people are just praising wherever you are going. And for that time also, you know, when in every daily soap, a heroine is wearing sari or a suit or sindoor or, you know, some those kind of a story. This story was very different, you know.
बहुत different story
बहुत
थी.
अलग थी. The character was very different. I used to wear like denim and shirts, tuck in t-shirts and
Yeah.
everything. So, not that I've done any daily soap before. You know, probably मैं और value करती इस चीज की. But I've started off with like that. So imagine the bar was set so high for me since the beginning. So, and I'm so glad that my journey in Mumbai and my journey in acting started with this show because I've really learned a lot. I worked with best of the, again, teamwork.
Teamwork.
The writers are one of the best writers, you know. They wrote Hira Mandi. They wrote, I think, half of Lapata Ladies. He was a part of Lapata Ladies also, Divyanithi Sharma. And Sitare Zameen Par Abhi Amir Sir ki ek film aa rahi hai. He has written that also. So he's doing so amazing. Again, I'm saying that it has to be like a teamwork. You alone as a producer, as a director, as an actor, as a DOP cannot do anything. You really need like good team.
Okay.
Oh, that
Nagin.
Nagin again, Moni Arjun and Karan. I think this was the end of our season and she just came for a couple of days just to, you know, give a twist to the story. And she's also wonderful. I adore her. I love her. Beautiful person. Again, we don't talk much. That's my story with probably everyone.
अब तक वो establish हो चुका है.
I know. But still, you know, if there is anything, I can call her, she can call me. Whenever we meet, we talk so honestly, heart to heart. And I think that's what matters. Oh, that's me and Anita. Vishakha. Again, she's one of my favorite people.
Yeah.
That's the reason she was there in the wedding. Of course, you know, she's, I love her. Very honest, very simple, basic, like, you know, no shosha and like amazing woman. She's an amazing woman. I love her for who she is, honestly.
Vikrant Masi.
That's me and Vikrant, yeah. Vikrant came little late to our show because he replaced another actor. But again, I really enjoyed working with him because he was equally passionate towards his work and he would put his 100% in every scene. And now also whenever we meet, it's like, you know, like good old times and it's good. He's also a fantastic actor. He was always amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
He's amazing.
He is amazing. He was always amazing, you know. And look at him, what a journey, what nice projects that he's doing.
मतलब मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है जब मैं देखती हूँ कि ग्राउंड जीरो से कोई ऊपर पहुंचा है.
You just have to follow your passion. And of course, if fortune favors you, then nothing can stop you. Absolutely.
This one with Akshay Kumar.
Oh, yes. Again, they've come for some movie promotion.
Movie promotion के लिए.
And yeah, he's also very impromptu, very quick. He also doesn't take time and very quick. I remember, you know, he was sweating. It was hot. We were shooting outside and he just called his makeup dada. He was taking time and I was wearing a burqa. He took my, you know, burqa, like, वहाँ से पकड़ के ऐसे बैठ के उन्होंने ऐसे अपना पसीना पोंछ लिया. I was like, okay. You know, that simple. He's that easy going and like nothing. अपना काम करो, very professional. Just be on time, do your job and go home.
उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर भी बड़ा अच्छा है.
Yeah, very spontaneous also.
बहुत spontaneous.
Very funny. That's true.
He's being applauded a lot for Kesari too also.
Really? I need to see that film. Yes. And I like Ananya Pandey. She's good. I really like how her journey is, you know. Like she's also been getting better and better with every project. She's good.
जैसा आपने कहा था ना कि नेपो किड आते हैं बट अगर वो अच्छे नहीं हैं तो लोग उनको बताते हैं. एंड आई थिंक अनन्या पांडे ने बहुत ट्रोलिंग का सामना किया.
Yes.
एंड वो दिखता है उनके काम में कि शी इज ट्राइंग टू बी बेटर विथ ईच ऑफ हर
Everybody is not a pro since day one. Probably when I used to give interviews, I used to not talk like this how I'm talking right now. So nobody is a born actor, nobody is a born celebrity, and it is difficult, you know, and it's very easy to judge somebody and troll somebody, but वो बेसिकली इंटरव्यूज देने तो नहीं आए हैं, सो लेट्स नॉट जज अ पर्सन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द इंटरव्यू. आप उनका काम देखें, अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बढ़िया, अगर नहीं अच्छा लगे प्लीज स्विच टू अनदर एक्टर rather than wasting your time on trolling that particular person.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. So with that, we come to the end of this segment.
Yeah.
And now we'll take questions from the fans.
Hi Surbi.
Hi.
My name is Nishtha. मुझे आपसे ये जानना है कि what is your guilty pleasure when you have a day off?
Watching content the whole day. I can do that. And the guilty part is I don't even feel guilty कि आज मैंने कुछ नहीं किया और सिर्फ एक शो binge watch किया है या non-stop movies देखी हैं, but yeah, that's what I do on my day off. Sometimes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So what's the series that you're binge watching right now?
I watch everything like that only, like I binge watch. But right now I'm watching this Your Friends and Neighbor on Apple.
Okay.
It's a very good show, yeah.
Okay, lovely.
गुड आफ्टरनून.
Hi.
सत श्री अकाल.
सत श्री अकाल, सत श्री अकाल.
तुसी बड़ी सोहनी लग रही हो जी.
वाह, अच्छा, थैंक यू.
मेरा नाम अमित शेट्टी और मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैम आपने टीवी एंकरिंग से करियर स्टार्ट किया और फिर पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री में थे, फिर
हाँ.
हिंदी इंडस्ट्री.
हाँ.
सो हाउ वाज योर जर्नी एंड हाउ वंडरफुल इट वाज?
See, the journey was very good. I've started actually as an RJ. I was a radio jockey. That was my first job ever. But मुझे बातें करना अच्छा लगता था, अच्छा लगता है अभी भी. And acting तो मैं शुरू से करती थी थिएटर. तो जब when I got a chance in acting, I did that also. When I got a chance to act and come here in Bombay, I did that. I just grabbed the opportunity where I have to do like acting, a good project, and that's how the journey went ahead.
ओके मैम, थैंक
Thank you.
Hi, this
Hi.
is Ritisha. So, being an ardent admirer of you for the last 10-12 years, so I would just want to tell you that, you know, as you said that, you know, how Friends is your guilty pleasure and how you watch it when you're sad, all the projects you've done has been my guilty pleasure. I've just been seeing you, Kubule, on repeat since the last 10 years.
I'm gonna give you a very tight hug once this is over, okay?
I can't tell you how fast my heart is beating right now to see you. But I would also want to ask you that what is the next project that we would see you in?
Forget that. Let's just stick to the fact that you love me so much. What's stupid? I'm saying now, imagine this life. Some girl I've not even met ever, a stranger, just telling me how much she loves me. Do I need? This is chamatkar. This is a miracle. And oh my God, you just made my day. Thank you so much.
Back then, we didn't have social media. I used to paper cut your pictures and stick it on my wall, on my rooms. That is how much I love you.
Oh my, see how privileged I am. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I think I love you more than you love me. Trust me, because this really makes me strong. You know, it gives me a motivation to keep doing good work and better projects. Thank you so much, Arul. Thank you.
Hello, Surveyam. This is
Hi.
Tinu Sharma.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations for your married life.
Oh, thank you.
And आप बहुत प्रेटी लग रहे हैं आज इस लुक में.
Thank you.
यार आगे के तो ज़्यादा प्रेटी लग रहे हैं आज.
Thank you.
ये आपने पंजाबी में भी और हिंदी में भी पिक्चरें भी की हैं, टीवी भी किया है और आपने सॉन्ग में भी डांस किया है रफ्तार के साथ. तो आपको किस में ज़्यादा मज़ा आया, किस में कितना क्या डिफरेंस लगा आपको पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री में और इंडियन मतलब हिंदी इंडस्ट्री?
बॉलीवुड में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि डिफरेंस कुछ ज्यादा होता नहीं है. एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग विच यू वांट टू डू तो आप इंजॉय करते ही हैं. मुझे अच्छा लगता है कैमरा को फेस करना, कोई कैरेक्टर प्ले करना, वो चाहे फिर एक म्यूजिक वीडियो हो या कुछ. पंजाबी और हिंदी में फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि भाषा अलग है, बाकी तो देयर इज नॉट मच ऑफ अ डिफरेंस एक्चुअली.
Hi, my name is Sara.
हाय सर.
और मेरे घर पे बचपन से ही कुबूले कैसे सारे दीवाने रहे हैं. लाइक डिनर टाइम पे हम लोग सब साथ में बैठ के कुबूले ही देखते थे.
तो जब मेरे को पता चला कुबूले 2.0 आ रहा है, तब कुबूले 1 के टाइम पे आई वॉज वेरी स्मॉल, तो 2.0 आ रहा था, आई गॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज उस टाइम पे सोशल मीडिया था और प्यार दिखाने का तरीका थोड़ा अलग था. पहले वही सब पोस्टर्स लगाना, ये सब फैंटेसाइज करना, असद और जोया को वही था. तो आपके लिए वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था जब आपके पास वो मेकर्स आए कि हम कुबूले 2.0 बना रहे हैं? तो हाउ डिड यू रिएक्ट? मतलब
I immediately said yes. क्योंकि more than anybody, I love Zoya. You know, I really love Asad and Zoya. So to play that character and to be in that skin again, it was a very good opportunity. And हम सर्बिया में शूट करने वाले थे. And yeah, I was very excited about the whole project. We really enjoyed shooting. And it was very nostalgic for us also to be Asad and Zoya once again. And it was a beautiful experience for us to shoot Kabul Hai 2.0.
Thank you.
Thank you.
हाय सुरभि, माय नेम इज़ योगिता.
Hi.
मैम, जैसे कि आप हमारे सबके फेवरेट हो, तो आपका फेवरेट कौन है? आपका कौन सा फेवरेट एक्टर है बॉलीवुड का?
Bollywood ka, I'm a huge die-hard Shah Rukh fan. I love Shah Rukh Khan. And but yes, yaar, agar acting ki, of course, Ranbir Kapoor is very good. Ranveer Singh is very good. I love in actresses. I love Rani Mukherjee. Love her for everything. For she's so natural and so stunning. But yeah, I don't have like favoritism. I can love a lot of things, a lot of people. So all these people I love. But yeah, like big Shah Rukh fan.
When will we see you work with them?
Inshallah. Probably very soon. I love all of them. Wow. How amazing it would be to work with them.
है ना?
Yeah, amazing.
Hi Surbhi.
Yeah. Hi baby. Hi.
I'm Namrata.
Hi,
So my question is, nowadays TV is lacking a lot of youth shows, good youth shows. So are you looking forward to doing any of youth shows or any other genre?
Any of youth shows?
Yes.
Yes, why not? Why not? See, बहुत कंटेंट बन रहा है अभी, यू नो, हर टॉपिक पे और हर जॉनरा की चीजें बन रही हैं, बी लाइक फिल्म और शोज. तो कुछ भी अच्छा जिसमें मेरे प्ले करने के लिए एक अच्छा रोल होगा, आई वुड डेफिनेटली डू दैट. Definitely.
And I think since the platform has moved to more of OTT now, I think the TV audience is getting a lot smaller than it previously was. So what's your take on that?
यार मुझे नहीं लगता that is the case, because the TV audience is still there. You know, even if they are going to OTT, they are watching TV shows only. So probably माध्यम अलग हो गया है, लेकिन जो उनको देखना है वो, you know, they really want to see that only. So probably that is why the success rate of television right now is the highest. You know, unfortunately, Bollywood is going through a very tricky phase right now, where, you know, not many movies are getting released or not many of them are working good on box office. But TV has somehow maintained its business, you know, and it's doing so well. So your question is right that, you know, a lot of shows are there on OTT also. But my point is that उनकी viewership कम नहीं हुई है. Probably they are watching it on a different channel, but they are watching the same content.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
पहले ऐसा होता था ना कि टीवी है तो फिल्म लोग ज्यादा जाकर देखेंगे, टीवी नहीं देखेंगे. फिर ओटीटी आया कि ओटीटी आया है तो इट्स अ वेरी बहुत ह्यूज कंपटीशन है टीवी में. टीवी में लूज इट्स ऑडियंस. बट टीवी आई फील कांस्टेंट रहा है.
Yeah.
कांस्टेंट रहा है हमेशा.
Absolutely.
और अभी इनफैक्ट फिल्में लोग ओटीटी के पर्सपेक्टिव से ही बना रहे हैं. एंड थिएटर्स, the producers, they are suffering.
They are.
It's
It's very unfortunate though, because I miss going to theaters. I miss going there and, you know, sit with my tub of popcorn and watch a film. But yeah, that's not happening because not many films are releasing. And to be very honest, if I at all miss on, you know, going and watching a film, I know in a couple of weeks I'm going to watch it at home. So, you know, I don't know how fortunate or unfortunate this is, but this is the reality right now. So yeah, everything is just there in your home. Then why to just probably go out and have the pain of it?
Yeah, but I really hope कि वो पूरा जो दौर था वो लौट कर आ जाए.
Yes, because पुरानी फिल्में now, you know, they are re-releasing the old films, and people would still go and watch those films. मुझे ऐसा लगता है audience ना बहुत बहुत समझदार और intelligent है. Like, you know, we say that अभी there was this thing that, you know, nepo kids are getting opportunities quickly and better opportunities. Probably. First of all, I'm not against it because of course I would support my family. You know, I would pull some strings if I have to support my family. So there is nothing wrong in that. They are getting opportunities little, you know, the easy way. Yes, there is no denial in that. But audience आज ऐसी नहीं है कि if they are not doing good work, they'll keep accepting them. You know, they will only accept good work. So even if they really don't care, you are a nepo kid or you are an outsider, you are delivering good to them. You are just giving them a good content or a good thing to watch. They will watch you. Otherwise, they will not.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true. Last film आपने कौन सी देखी थी थिएटर में?
I think I watched Karan Arjun.
Oh, the re-release.
Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what. मुझे ऐसा लगता है before Friends,
हाँ.
करण अर्जुन एक ऐसी चीज थी जो कभी भी किसी भी चैनल पे किसी भी पॉइंट पे लगी होती थी ना, मैं देखती थी.
वहीं से शुरू.
I love करण अर्जुन. And imagine जो फिल्म आपने बचपन में इतनी बार देखी हो, वो थिएटर में आज आपको मौका मिल रहा है देखने का. I went mad. I went crazy. I was yelling and shouting and saying every dialogue. Oh my God, how much I enjoyed watching that film in theater. I loved it.
You know, now that मैंने आपसे ये सवाल पूछा, मैं भी सोच रही थी मेरी लास्ट फिल्म कौन सी थी. तो it was सत्या, the re-release.
सत्या भी री-रिलीज हुई?
हाँ. उसको भी टाइम हो गया है.
Okay. Yeah.
That was the last film.
I think I should just go now for Andaz Apna Apna.
अंदाज अपना अपना is re-released.
Yes.
That is nice.
Yeah. What a film.
Yes.
Cool.
So Surbhi, with that, we come to the end of this segment. And बहुत 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 अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. It didn't feel like it was an interview.
Yeah. It was like we were talking.
We were talking.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for doing this. And thank you all of you for coming. I hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Surbhi.
Thank you for having me, guys. I really had fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, this is me, Surbhi Jyoti, and you are watching me on Pink Villa.